In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the deck belt on this Husqvarna 54-inch riding tractor, as well as give you some tips along the way of things that you should be looking for. All right, so without further ado, let's dive right in. All right, so this is a very easy job. You'll want to start with your deck all the way down. Go ahead and pull this bar. That relieves the tension on the belt, and we've got two 3/8 bolts. All right, so let's go ahead and get our cover off. Now we've got another cover just like this on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one too. All right, so now we need to get this belt guard off right here that goes around the idler pulley. All right, so from here it's very simple. Just basically unthread the belt from all the pulleys. Get it out from around the engine, and just go ahead and pull that belt on out of there. All right, now that we got the belt off, this is a good time to check all your pulleys and spindles. Give your spindles a good spin, make sure they're not making any grinding noises like this. Spin your idlers, make sure those are spinning smooth. Check everything to make sure it's in alignment very well. If your belt got shredded, there's a reason why, so you want to take a look at all this stuff. Give them all a spin, grab hold of the blade, shake it up and down, make sure there's no big amounts of slop in there or anything like that. All right, so let's get our new belt back on. All right, so here's the specs for my belt on my mower, and here's the belt diagram in case yours doesn't have the sticker. If the sticker fell off or whatever, basically it zigzags through the whole thing. It goes straight across the back, and between the second and third pulley right here is where it goes up to the motor. So let's go ahead and get this around the motor. Now, if you've got a flat side of the pulley and you've got a V side, so it's pretty self-explanatory which way the belt goes. Anytime you've got a flat pulley, you got the back side of the belt. And anytime you've got a V pulley, that's where the V part of the belt goes. Very simple. Let me go ahead and pull this up around the other side. And we'll pull our tensioner back. We'll go ahead and put our belt guard back and our covers, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.